Today I'll be showing you how to use my repository to create a Github-pages website. I have done this before and I just closed it because I want to use the same domain and kind of show you guys how to do it. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So I just created this this repo, so I still have to push it. Here are all the files I added, which are just 3. Things you need before you start doing this are GitHub account, a GitHub desktop, a code editor, and a domain name that's less than 24 years old, or 24 hours old, not years. That would be very old, but at least 24 hours old. My bad. So I chose GoDaddy as hosting, or actually to buy my domain, because we don't need hosting. We're hosting using GitHub-pages. And first of all, what you are going to do is go into the portfolio of domains and then change your DNS records. What you want is to add 4 ANAME records that start with or have this IP. And you can choose a name which can be either 3 times W or an add emoji, no, an add, like, yeah. I'll paste these in the description. So let's go ahead and push this. So done. So it looks very similar to the one I had before. I still have to publish the repository, which is fine. So this is what my actual site looks like. It's pretty easy, or what it looked like, because I took it down so I could show you this. So let's go into GitHub and go to my profile, where there will be a repository called link in bio template, which will be free to use. So I hope people actually take advantage of this. So how are we going to do this? Well, first we're going into settings, and once we go into settings, we're going down to pages. And once we're at pages, we're going to be using GitHub Actions instead of deploy from bench. So what are we going to do? Well, there's a few ways you can use GitHub Pages. You can use Jekyll to create like a blog, or you can just host static HTML, which is what I'll be doing right now. So I'll just add my custom domain here, which is lifts.xyz. Make sure the URL is correct, because if I just type in this, it will check it to see if it works. And let's see, it says a DNS check is in progress. And it will fail because this domain does not exist. It's not valid. See. So let's add a Z at the end, press save, and then it's checking the DNS again. This should come back as green because I properly configured this one. The certificate is being provisioned. This might take up to 15 minutes to complete. So let's view workflow rules, and we'll just use static HTML. There's a bunch of others you can use, but for the sake of this video, just pick this one. And then I'm just going to commit changes, even though there are no changes. And then it should now work. So what it did is add this to queue. So it should start running my HTML and posting it to GitHub Pages. So let's see. First of all, we're going back to pages because I kind of want this to be resolved. I think the HTTPS is done. And still checking the DNS, but I'm not sure as to why. And the site should be online. So let's click this link, and then we should see the site I made. This is not a random guy. This is what I used is this person does not exist. So yeah, I hope I helped someone with this tutorial. They will get better in time, I promise. Right now I'm sort of trying to find my flow, and my voice is fucked up. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video, or my community if you need help with any of this kind of thing. Any of these things, I will be making sure to add my community in the description as well. Thanks.